Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make sautéed daikon leaves and bacon. It's quick, easy, yet delicious. My son has been to daikon digging and the leaves were really fresh, so I decided to make this dish. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Daikon radish leaves are an edible and nutritious green. You can use any radish leaves, spinach, or even bok choy. It's a simple sautéed greens recipe. Cut bacon into small pieces. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan and cook bacon. Actually, the bacon I'm using is already cooked, so I don't have to heat too much. Now add daikon leaves and cook until soft. Season with salt and pepper and dash of soy sauce to finish. Easy, right? My kids love this. And now it's done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
この大根の葉っぱがなんかシャリシャリいってて美味しいね。皆さんもぜひ作ってください。